Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So there is a ritual of 21 days which you have to perform for deeper energy cleansing. So what happened that when we are going for energy cleansing work, so I have told you, if you are a twin flame, you cannot depend on other person. Maybe I'm talking about a healer, that if you think that others can heal you, so for a twin flame it's not possible, because you are a divine child and born with lot of divine gifts and spiritual powers. So no, you and other humans are also born with self-healing abilities, but then if you're a twin flame, please have this understanding, each and every healing has to be done by you only. So this 21 days ritual helps you in deeper level of energy cleansing and healing. So there are certain restrictions which you have to follow while performing this 21 days ritual. I have advised on my other channel that whenever you decide to perform this ritual of 21 days, you have to make sure that you write down each and everything in a notebook wherein you know what you are allowed to eat or drink during this ritual and what you are not supposed to. Because if you miss out the restrictions even for a day, then you will have to repeat this ritual again from the beginning. So no ritual is only complete when you have performed exact same things for 21 days. So you must know how to cook food, because if you do not know how to cook food, you are not capable of performing this ritual fully, because during this ritual, the food you will be consuming, it has to be cooked by you only. So whoever is cooking the food, they have their own energies also. This is the reason that you should not consume food, so that you can avoid taking on their energies. Because if you are receiving any kind of food or liquid item which is being offered by other person, they have their energies in that until you have paid for it. So this is the first thing which you have to remember. If you do not know how to cook, please learn cooking first and then only decide to begin with this ritual. So in this 21 days ritual, you will be only eating sattvic food, that is without onion garlic, for 21 days, and this has to be vegetarian healthy food only. Second restriction is that no deep fried food is allowed. If you have a habit of eating, parathas or puris or some other thing which is deep fried, like French fries and all, so you cannot consume that during this ritual. And if you're someone who is working outside, maybe you're doing a job or you have to go outside for your business purpose, in that case you will have to cook this food and carry it with yourself. If you have travel plans, in that case I suggest do not perform this ritual, because during travel, for how long can you manage of not eating from outside? But if you're traveling at a place where you have this option that you can cook food and then consume it, that is absolutely fine. Maybe it's for 1 or 2 days or for few days, but understand that happens, extremely rare situations where you get this option, you can cook food and then you can consume it outside of your home. During this ritual, you have to avoid eating or drinking anything in plastic. So as maybe if you're working outside, maybe in a corporate office, there I'm sure that there are paper glasses or plastic glasses which people uses. So try having your own glass or metal bottle which you can fill the water from the office itself and then drink it, but make sure that bottle remains untouched by others. In this ritual, you cannot have tea, coffee or caffeine in any form, like chocolates do have a caffeine. So make sure that you avoid all those items for 21 days, but then you can have herbal teas twice or thrice a day, that too like lavender tea or rosemary tea, and there can be a few other herbs which you're consuming, but make sure like no caffeine intake. Green tea you can definitely take once or twice a day during this ritual, but that milk, tea, coffee is not allowed. Whatever food you would be consuming, that sattvic food, make sure it has less oil as much as you can avoid. That will help you even better in energy cleansing work. Sugar intake is not allowed during this ritual, so there will be sugar cravings for sure, and there are different reasons for having sugar cravings during this ritual. So you have to prepare detox water, which you can prepare a day in advance, or maybe before bed you can prepare. You will have to add slices of cucumber, apple or oranges or any other herb which you wish to add, and then leave it overnight and then start consuming it from the morning itself. With lunch and dinner, make sure to add more of green salad. In detox water, make sure to add lemon in case you are not having cold and cough. During cold and cough, you can avoid lemon. Otherwise, you can add it. It helps in more of, detoxifying your body. But no, if you're living in such area where a lot of, cold weather is there, so make sure to avoid it. Any food item or liquid item I've told you in this video, if you're allergic to that, make sure to avoid it. Make sure that you take 7 to 8 glasses of water or maybe more. Do not do over or excess, because when you are performing energy cleansing work, that you might feel dehydrated. So that is the reason that detox water has been added in this ritual. In my previous videos, I have told you that in case you wish to perform this ritual, you must learn level 1 Reiki healing, because whatever food item you will be having during this ritual, or even including water, you will have to add, put Reiki into that. So you have to charge your food or liquid item, then only consume it. So now understand, there are people, even though they know how to cook, and now as they have to cook their food without onion garlic, so they think there are no recipes or very less recipes, they cannot cook for 21 days. So there are a lot of YouTube channels where you can find out the videos, or a lot of videos for Sattvic food. So make sure you prepare a list what all you will be cooking for 21 days, so that you are having healthy food and you don't have to force for eating, that you don't like this food and you're still eating. So there are food which you can prepare and you can eat happily. Plastic you have to avoid completely during this ritual, and forever you can if it is possible for you. But then understand, if you're cooking food in aluminium utensils, make sure to avoid it. That is not allowed during this ritual. Also, if during this 21 days of ritual you have to go outside, maybe at your friends or relatives' place, you cannot eat or drink anything at their place. As I said, it is not allowed. It should only be cooked by you. So in case you break this thing, then you will have to repeat this ritual from the beginning. I have shared other things like switch words or mantra chanting that you have to continue for these 21 days. Also, remember that this 21 days ritual might bring different kind of energies within yourself. It can be extremely high or it can be extremely low. So when you are performing energy cleansing work, that doesn't mean that you will always experience high energy. At times, energy cleansing work also put you in a mode where you are not able to do anything. So in that case, you are only meant to rest. This I personally experienced and also shared by other twin flames. I'm not saying that everybody experienced this, but you have to observe your own energies. So whenever you decide to perform this ritual, know that there are mantra chanting you have to perform, meditation, Reiki healing, and also I have shared few exercises what you have to perform during this ritual. So everything has to be added. You cannot escape anything. So during this ritual, entities trick you by forgetting you a lot of things. It can be your eating, or it can be escaping anything, or it can be, avoiding. There can be n number of things. They do not want you to perform this ritual. So how can you avoid these things? First, write down each and everything and then tick mark whatever task you have completed. Tick mark it and perform this daily, so that you do not, miss out on anything. Processed food is not allowed in any form during this ritual. So as I said, you cannot eat anything ready to eat from outside, and you will learn that the effects of your own energy, because food and liquid items hold vibrations, everything has energy. So when other people are cooking food for you and you are consuming it, you are also receiving their energies. So this ritual not only helps you in energy cleansing or healing, but it also brings discipline in your eating habits. During this ritual, entities creates a lot of strong cravings for sugar and processed food, which you have to avoid at any cost. Second, you also pick up on the energies and habits of a karmic twin flame. So if he or she has a habit of consuming a lot of sugar items, you will have such cravings. So you have to avoid it. Third thing, it can be your own habit of having sugar items or processed food. So anything, any reason is there, but you only have to bring discipline of not eating it even for once during this 21 days ritual. Once you perform this ritual completely without avoiding or escaping anything for 21 days, then give a gap of few days or few weeks and then again start the same ritual. You can also add healthier thing in this ritual, that can be anything, but keep on observing what are you going through, what sort of energies you are experiencing, good, bad or otherwise, and then continue again once you are ready. Because see, this ritual becomes tough for those who do not know how to cook. But another thing is that time management is a big challenge during this ritual, whether you're working or non-working. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay connected to divine.